Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra, your test coach. Today we will learn a Java program to find largest element in an array. So here you are seeing a array where you are seeing different values like 85, 25, 33, 405 and 51. So what we are going to do, we are going to find the largest element. So you can see the largest element is 405 here. So we'll write a program to find this largest element which is present in an array. So let's go to our Eclipse and let me create a new class and we'll name it as largest element in array. Okay. So first thing what we'll do, we'll initialize an array. Okay. Let's initialize an array int arr equal to new int. Okay, then I'll take the same values which we have seen in the example. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll take another variable int max and we'll assign the value array of 0. So in the 0th position here 85 is present, so we are assigning 85 to this max. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll write a for loop. For what we'll write, int I equal to 1, then I is less than array dot length. You know, array dot length will keep the length of the array. Okay, so then we'll write I plus plus, right? Then inside the loop what we'll do, we'll compare the elements of array. So we have declared here, or we have assigned here to the max, we have told max equal to array of 0. So 85 is present here. So what we'll do, we'll compare each values 25 with 85, 33 with 85, 405 with 85. So we'll compare. So we'll make a loop. So inside this for loop what we'll do, we'll write if array of I, whatever value present in the ith position, is greater than max. Okay, then what we'll do, max equal to array of I. Okay, now let's print largest element in an array plus max. Let's execute it. So you can see the largest value is 405. So what we did in this program, we have taken one array, int array equal to the values we have taken 85, 25, 33, 405, 51. We know 405 is the largest element here. So first what we have done, we have taken a variable type integer max equal to array of 0. So in the array in the 0th position 85 is present, so max value is 85 now. Then what we did, we have written a for loop and we have written for int I equal to 1 and then I is less than array dot length and I plus plus. So inside that what we have written, if array of I, so array I position, I means 1, in one position what is there, 25 is there. So if 25 is greater than maximum, we are writing max equal to array of I. So 25 is not, so it will go up. Then array I value equal to 2. So in the array of 2, so in the second position what is there, 33. Is 33 greater than max? No. Again it will go up. 405. So 405 is greater than max? Yes. So max value equal to array of I. So what we got now, the value became 405, right? So again the loop will go up and here I value equal to 4. Again 51 is greater than, now max value equal to 405, it will compare with 405. So it will be no. So the value is 405, right? So we have compared all the values and got the result as 405. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.